Hi, this is a demonstration of IoT based home automation project. So this innovative system is based on an upcoming technology that allows user to control hardware based devices or appliances directly from the internet without using a PC in between, so that our hardware or devices can directly interact with our online website or web pages, and based on this message passing we can monitor and control physical devices. So in this system we will be controlling our home appliances, that is fan, light bulbs and similar loads. So for this purpose we are using this circuit here, and we are using a Wi-Fi modem here in order to interact with the internet, which the Wi-Fi modem is in turn connected to a AVR family microcontroller. The microcontroller is then connected to the loads through relay. For loads we have used three lights here to demonstrate as lighting for particular rooms, and there is a fan. So this in the circuit we have used a CPU fan here, and let's see how the system works. Let's turn on the system. So the system has been turned on. Now let's access the web page through which we will be controlling the appliances. So this is the web page we will be using. So along with every kit of this project we provide you a separate web page and an ID to access. So this is how it looks. So now whenever we click on a particular load here, this is the light. Let's turn on two lights here, and we'll have to wait for some time. So these lights have been turned on the circuit. So this is how the system will be working in real time. Let's turn on the other light and fan also. So now as you can see, even the fan and other load has been turned on. Similarly, let's turn off all loads here. And as you can see, all loads have been turned on at the circuitry too. So here we can access these home appliances without needing a PC in between. So our system directly interacts with this web page here. So this is how IoT based home automation project works. Thank you.